Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gold Coin Cat token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 18th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Gold Coin Cat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, kind of a strange name. It seems like it's translated by the way it reads. Gold Coin Cat token. It should be Gold Cat Coin, you would think. It's kind of backwards, but ticker symbol is GCC. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 18th at 11 o'clock UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, and search the ticker symbol GCC, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So up until then, there is a Kickstarter event that you could check out on Mexc, at Mexc_official on Twitter. They have the details about the Kickstarter event that's happening prior to this listing. If you do want to get the token prior to the listing, this token is a BEP20 token. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can get this token off Pancakeswap if you like. So all you would have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps, find Pancakeswap, and then trade your BSC for the GCC token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, goldcoincat.com. Now you may have to set slippage if there's taxes. Actually, it says 0% taxes, so you probably will not have to worry about slippage. It says LP will be locked after launch, and it says there is a total supply of 10 million tokens. And if we check their BSC scan, that is correct, a max total supply of 10 million tokens, 532 holders so far, 18 decimal places on this token. So what is this project all about? Well, on their webpage too, they're going to have a live chart that you'll be able to use, but it's not available yet. They do have the contract address that you could copy on their webpage, roadmap, tokenomics, links to their socials, info, all that type of stuff. We'll go over the socials in a second. But it says, welcome to Gold Coin Cat. Influenced by a character deeply ingrained in our collective memory, Gold Coin Cat stands out as a unique cryptocurrency limited to 100 million tokens and anchored on the Binance blockchain for a swift and low-cost transaction. Now, I see why they call it Gold Coin Cat, because if you go to their webpage, like on their Twitter, it's just a bunch of gold cats. So that's why it's kind of confusing, because it's a crypto token, or you could call it a coin if you want, but technically it's a token. But it's on their webpage, there is an actual coin, and it's a gold coin with a cat on it. But then they also have gold cats everywhere, so that's why it's kind of weird and confusing. But Whatevs. It says, we are on a mission to cultivate a lively and thriving community devoted to the Gold Coin Cat token. So why would you get the Gold Coin Cat? Well, it says, choose Gold Coin Cat for a unique blend of fun, finance, and community spirit. Our platform stands out in the crypto space by offering a pet-themed ecosystem where DeFi meets a playful interaction. With Gold Coin Cat, you're not just investing in a cryptocurrency, but becoming part of a vibrant community that values creativity, collaboration, and the joy of collecting. By participating in Gold Coin Cat, you gain access to innovative DeFi protocols on the Binance Smart Chain, ensuring fast, secure, and cost-effective transactions. Our native token serves as the gateway to a range of services, including liquidity mining and exclusive access to our NFT marketplace. Here you can acquire, trade, and cherish digital pet collectibles that are as unique as they are valuable. Join Gold Coin Cat today and be a part of the crypto revolution where every member has a voice and every token holds the potential for growth, fun, and community-driven success. So no taxes, liquidity locked after launch, and then they have a roadmap on here. So starting with phase 1 of the roadmap is the prepare phase, and they're starting with token generation event, initial decentralized exchange offering, so Pancakeswap, website launch, social media campaign. Phase 2 is going to be the takeoff phase where they start their NFT marketplace debut. So they are going to have some utility. It's not just a meme token. So they got the NFT marketplace coming, then liquidity pool expansion. Then they're going to have a staking program initiation. So you'll be able to stake your tokens to get more tokens. Major central exchange listings like Mexc Global. Phase 3 is going to be the landing phase with the mobile app release. Then they're going to have governance. So they're going to have their own app. And then they're going to have basically like a DAO. So you'll be able to vote on proposals in which direction you think the project should go. And cross-chain integration. Maybe they'll go to Ethereum or something like that. And then pet-themed games will start rolling out. So it says, buy and hodl to the moon, meme magic, get ready for the future with Gold Coin Cat. And so their partners are DexView, Dex Tools, Pink Sale. So maybe they had a Pink Sale pre-sale. They probably did. CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. And yeah, you can check out their socials here. So their Telegram has over 8,000 members at Gold Coin Cat on Telegram. And they have a Twitter at GoldCoinCA27367. And I'm going to put that Twitter up right here so you guys can see that. It's got over 11,100 members, and they just joined in December 2023. So brand new project. You can see their Mexc global listing announcement on this Twitter here as well. So check it all out. Check out all the referral codes down there, especially if you don't have an Mexc global account. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about this project? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.